What's the scenario?
So I have presented to you, I'm gonna list your property, and I've given you my spiel.
And what's the objection?
You have to interview other realtors.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got to shop around.
Shop around. Okay. You go first. So you present the proposal. She's got to shop around.
She's got to shop around.
Yeah. So you play you first.
Right.
And then she's gonna say.
I'm gonna shop around.
Right.
Okay.
You're Mr. Seller.
Sounds great. But I've got to shop around. I've got to go check with about 3 or 4 other realtors before I make a decision. I appreciate you stopping by. Have a great day.
Dave, I really understand that. And you know what? I would shop around too if I were you. So I actually brought you the profiles of my so-so competitors and their stats. And as you can see from here, I'm blowing them out of the water.
Wow.
I mean, look at this chick right here. She takes 60 days to sell a home like yours. I take 3 days. Mark, your neighbor next door, I sold it for a ridiculous amount of price, okay? The reason why your home is worth what it is today is because of me. I sold that house for $50,000 over market value, and I sold it in 3 days. So what else is there to think about?
What kind of sales training do you do?
Well, I know this Roberts guy, and
Cardone University, right?
that's right. Cardone
Yeah, she
University.
trains. Can you tell she trains?
Hey, here's one thing I will tell you is to make this what you're bringing in, you have that extra information. So hey, I would say, you should definitely shop around. Getting you the best agent is going to be the most important thing as you move through one of the biggest transactions of your life. Let me ask you, what are going to be the most important things? You looking for the value that they're able to get for your home? Okay. How about how fast they're able to do it? Was that important to you as well? Okay, good. I brought the top 3 agents, and I want to show you their performance against mine. Get them to agree down that path that, hey, I want to get it sold in a short period of time, and the amount that it sells for is really important. Because you have that ace in the hole, so that when after Dave already says, yeah, I want to get the person that can sell it for the most in the shortest period of time, and then you bring out third-party data that'll substantiate that, done deal.
If you're not satisfied with the status quo, if you want to kill the competition, if you're ready to grow your business at massive levels, I want to take 3 days to spend time with an exclusive group of people, entrepreneurs, business owners, business managers, coaches, and experts, and show you how to get a competitive edge in your business using social media, using e-commerce, using salespeople, cold calls, follow-up, and a sales cycle and a business cycle that I guarantee will 10x your business in 2018. I'm doing this at the Diplomat Hotel. I'll take care of your hotel room. I'm gonna spend 3 days with you, and we're gonna focus on a plan that 10x's your business in 2018.